Hi guys, welcome to the San Francisco School of Copywriting, Copywriting to Go mini course of pro tips with me, Amanda Caswell. I am the owner of AdBuzz PR, an advertising and public relations agency in New Jersey, and I use these pro tips all the time. So, let's go on to pro tip number 3, tell a story. The best brands tell stories. As humans, we love stories. We love going to films. We love reading books. We love the juicy stories that our friends tell us. And as children, we started out with stories, the fairy tales right before bedtime. So to resonate with your consumers, add stories to give your customers a perspective into the brand. That's so important. Let your consumers know where the brand started. Why did you start the company? And as copywriters, you can help pull that information out of uh, the founder of the company and craft that in the best language to tell the consumers the story. All of that and more can be found in my Copywriting 101 course. And that is the fundamentals of copywriting. If you are beyond the fundamentals and you actually are perhaps working at an advertising agency or are a copywriter for your current business, but just want a little bit of boost in those skills, then join me in the masterclass. That is a chock full of information as well. And you can sign up at sanfranciscoschoolofcopywriting.com. All right, and be on the lookout for the next pro tip, be trustworthy. See you soon.